Hi guys, this is Short. In today's video we are going to check out this headlight repair, the Ouhoe Headlight Repair from Temu or Timu or whatever. And yeah, what I'm going to do according to the instructions, I need to wet sand the headlight. However, it doesn't say how to wet sand, how many steps, what sort of grit. So now I'm going to have 600, 800, 1000, 1200 and 2000 grit wet sanding, and then it doesn't say if I would need to polish or whatever, but so I'm not going to. After the wet sanding is done, I will apply this headlight repair with the applicator block, and then we'll see how's it. Anyhow, so yeah, the instructions for an average user is not so very good. Let's roll.
And you make me sing, yeah. Ooh, you make me sing, yeah. Oh, you make me sing, yeah. Ooh, you make me sing, yeah. Come on. I know I messed it up, but in my soul, I feel a love for you that's out of control. Sometimes I feel like I can make you whole. I just can't change my emotions. There isn't anything I wouldn't do to prove that everything I say is true. And if you let me, I'll keep loving you. I just can't change my emotions. Come on, love me again. You're all I need. Can you love me again? I need. Come on, love me the way you did. I just can't change my emotions. Baby, I know this might sound insane, but baby, you're gonna love me again, love me again. Yeah, I paid my dues to show you I'm not the same. It has cost me much, but I would do it again. So baby, come on, love me again, love me again. I know I messed it up, but in my soul, I feel a love for you that's out of control. Sometimes I feel like I can make you whole. I just can't change my emotions. Oh, come on, love me again. You're all I need. Can you love me again? I need. Come on, love me the way you did. I just can't change my emotions. Sweet emotion. I know I messed it up, but in my soul, I feel a love for you that's out of control. Sometimes I feel like
Alright, boys and girls, that was the test of the Ouhoe Headlight Repair. Well, just to avoid any misunderstanding, this is not the end result. This is how it looks like after polishing in 2 steps, and I applied some headlight ceramic coating on it. Yeah, so this product didn't do anything. It's a pile of crap, sorry for my French. Hence, I'm going to keep it at a special place. I'm going to show you in a second. So that's where it belongs to. Anyway, other than that, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye bye.